Hey guys, I'm back on the road. Gonna go check out a CT70H model. Looks to be fairly complete, but the engine is kind of in a box of parts, so I don't know if the engine's gonna be salvageable, but the bike looks nice. It's an H model. CT70s have really went up in value recently, so the guy's asking $400, which seems like a pretty good deal. I'm gonna try to get it for $300, but we'll see. This video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna actually be mic'd up, so you guys will be able to hear our conversation when I go talk to the owner. I don't think that's really been done before, so let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and let's get into it. Hi there. I was gonna check out the CT70. I don't know if that's you guys or... Yeah? Okay.
There it is.
Cool. It's a little bit rougher than I thought, but I guess it's mostly there, right?
Yeah.
What's the story behind this thing?
I don't know. My boss got it.
Okay.
But I'm sure if it didn't run, somebody take it apart. Put it back together.
It's usually how it goes, right?
Yeah. You know, you can get a lifetime out of that bolt right after.
Yeah, that's... I've heard people use like the... Or is it like a 110 or something, right?
Yeah, and it's with a 110, it'll scream.
Yeah.
We put one in a Trail 70, which
Oh,
is the
okay.
color one.
Oh, okay.
And dude, it's like 70 miles an hour. It's scary.
Damn.
Yeah, it's scary. But yeah, direct bolting.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking about possibly doing, depending on if this engine's no good or...
Yeah, I don't know, man. I didn't get a chance to go through it. I mean, it would have to be taken all apart and cleaned.
Yeah.
But it's no big deal. You can still get complete gas for it.
Yeah.
The exhaust is over there. Your tire and the rack in the back. Yeah, right. Carburetor's there.
Got the key still. That's nice.
Got really easy.
Just the bars got a little bit
Yeah.
stretched or something. I don't know.
Yeah, they're some is.
I like the color. The color is sweet.
Yeah, it is
isn't
a
it?
cool color. Yeah, and
Like a blue
I think
greenish.
it'll clean up real good if you just leave it.
Yeah.
Just clean it up.
Put a Lythan in it. Make a nice rider.
Yeah, the lifetime motor, dude, they fucking scream, bro. It's scary.
Yeah, I've been looking for one of these. I would like a little project. I'm senior in high school and just need something to do on the weekends, you know?
Yeah, something to do to stay out of
Especially during COVID, there's
Yeah, not a lot.
been a bunch of shit shut down, you know?
Yeah, trust me.
Would you do 300?
I don't know. We gotta talk to the boss. He literally just put it up. Well, I don't even know what he's got it up for. So.
Okay.
If you'd like to take 300 on that trail.
I can do 350 if it's cash. That's probably
350? Okay, I can do 350.
Yeah, if you're paying cash, we can do that.
Cool. Okay guys, we're back home. Here's my thoughts. So we got this cool CT70H model. You can see H model right there. I mean, the frame and everything seems like it right here. It looks good, right? This engine is not the original engine. You can see this is a 3-speed auto and this is a 4-speed bike. So unfortunately, we don't have the numbers matching engine. But we do have this engine. We could try to attempt to get this engine running, get it on the bike. I think we have all of the pieces. I have no clue how the handlebars got like this. It's beyond screwed up, but I've got some spare parts, so we could honestly get this bike back to like original and good condition pretty easily. I think it'll clean up super nice. So let me know what you guys want me to do with this bike. We could try to get it running with this engine right here. I also have a Lythan engine in the garage, so that I have no clue if it runs or not, so we could try to swap that on here and see if we can get it running. yeah, I think those are the two options. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. If you guys liked the voiceover, well, like I was mic'd up, but if you guys like that, that was just something different, just an idea I had, and I think it turned out pretty cool. So I'm super excited that I picked this thing up. I think I got a pretty good deal on it. Obviously it needs a lot of work, but I think it should clean up. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on another Mechanic Kid video.